Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more health tips and advice. Today, we're talking about poor circulation in the legs and feet, a common issue that can lead to discomfort, numbness, and even more serious health problems. But did you know there's one vitamin that could be a game changer when it comes to boosting circulation? In this quick video, I'm going to reveal the one vitamin that can help eliminate poor circulation in the legs and feet. Let's dive in. The problem of poor circulation. First, let's quickly talk about why poor circulation happens. If you're dealing with tingling, numbness, or cold feet and legs, it could be due to restricted blood flow. This can happen for several reasons, including sitting for long periods, a sedentary lifestyle, or health conditions like diabetes or peripheral artery disease. Causes of poor circulation. Improving circulation is crucial for keeping your muscles and tissues healthy, and one vitamin stands out in helping with this: vitamin B3, also known as niacin. How vitamin B3 niacin works. Vitamin B3, or niacin, is amazing when it comes to improving circulation. Here's how it works. Niacin helps widen blood vessels, which improves blood flow throughout the body, especially in the extremities like your legs and feet. Niacin widens blood vessels, improves blood flow. Not only does niacin help boost circulation, but it also supports heart health by lowering bad cholesterol and reducing inflammation. So, adding this vitamin to your routine could be a great way to naturally support better circulation. How to get more vitamin B3 niacin. So, how can you get more of this circulation-boosting vitamin? Niacin is found in a variety of foods, including chicken, turkey, fish like tuna and salmon, and whole grains. If you're not getting enough from your diet, you can also consider taking a niacin supplement, but always consult with your healthcare provider first. Foods rich in vitamin B3. Just remember, balance is key. Too much niacin can cause side effects like flushing or stomach discomfort, so make sure you're not overdoing it. And there you have it, the one vitamin to help eliminate poor circulation in your legs and feet. Vitamin B3, or niacin. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you've tried boosting your niacin intake. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips, and as always, stay healthy and take care of your body. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.